Hi, I'm Jeff over at Q's. This truck came in, it was involved in an accident. It ran into the back of another truck. The frame has been all bent, the bumper's tweaked. We're going to have to fix and move everything back forward. The boom doesn't sit in the boom rest anymore. So there's a whole bunch of things that have happened to create this problem, and it goes all the way to the back of the truck over here behind the cab, where they tweaked even the back rack. So we're going to have to completely remove this and basically straighten everything back out, make some new pieces, and put it back and make it look like it came right back from the factory. While the truck's here, they damaged the steps, so we're going to fix this for them. They also used to have a handrail here that they somehow broke off, so we're going to make a hooped handrail to go here so they can get on and off the truck safely again. And they want to add one more rail up top on the boom, so when they get in their bucket, they have something to hold on to that's a little higher, because their handrails are going to be below their body when they step into the bucket. We're all about trying to make things easier for the guys when they're on the job, keeping it safe, customizing stuff to make it more convenient for you to get your job done. I'm going to pull this into the shop now and get started on this project. We got this accident truck back in the shop. We started doing some of the work. This was the bend up step. We replaced this one side and then we repainted the whole step. We straightened this back out and reinforced it so it's not going to bend again, hopefully. We made this handrail here in the shop, everything in-house. We cut all the pieces. We bent the hoop here. We welded it all together. We painted it all here in-house. Now they have 3 points of contact getting on and off the truck. Good. So yesterday we took the platform off the truck. We've taken the back headache rack off, which we're going to have to straighten out. I'll show you that in a minute. Here's the front of the truck. We're going to replace that post because that post is bent. So this is the back headache rack. We had to remove it. It's all twisted in here. It's hard to see, so we're going to make a whole new one. The base plates, those are all twisted from the accident. So I'm going to get back to work. I'm going to fabricate all these new parts for these guys and get their truck back on the road. We just finished up that truck that was involved in an accident. If you notice, the boom now fits in the boom rest just like it should. We replaced and repaired some parts. We replaced this post here because it was so damaged. We patched up there because the way it was broken, it was just easier to fix it, and that's what the customer wanted. If you come around here, I'll show you the back rack. We had to remake the whole back rack because it was twisted. Now everything lines up just as it should. It went together nice and easy, like it should. While we're here, the customer also wanted us to add some hooks so his pads wouldn't fall out. So we added that around the truck. We added here also. Then if you come around, I'll show you the handle's all finished. The step's now safe. We added this handle for getting on the truck, which the driver checked it out. He's really happy with it. Feels comfortable getting on and off his truck now. And we also added one handle up top so he can get in his bucket. We also added on this side the chains, here and here. And while the truck was in here, we found that there was an issue with this handle, so we replaced that for the customer. So now he's back up and functional and getting ready to go back to work today. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.